In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Keplr Wallet. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in Keplr Wallet. Now, one of the first links should be Keplr Wallet from Keplr.app, and it says Keplr Wallet, your multi-chain gateway. So you want to click on this. And then over here on their website, you have two different options. So you want to click Get Keplr Wallet first, and it will take you over here to their download page where it shows you how to install it. And over here it says you can either install it as extension, so you can basically get an extension for either Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, or you can install it on your mobile device. So the setup is pretty much the same, but I'm going to show you how to install the extension because I'm using my computer right now. So for me, I'm going to use Chrome because I'm on Chrome right now, but if you have Firefox or Edge, you want to click on either Firefox or Edge over here. But for me, as I said, it's going to be Chrome. So I'm going to click over here, and it takes you to the Chrome Web Store. From here, you want to click Add to Chrome, and then you want to click on Add Extension. And after a few seconds, as you can see, your extension will download and it will be added to Chrome. Now over here, it will take you immediately to the website. So this is their website. And in case you don't have a wallet yet, you will simply have to create one. Now you want to click on Create a New Wallet. And then over here, you will either be able to use a recovery phrase or sign up with Google. So if you want a simple and easy registration, you can sign up with Google over here. So you can simply click on Connect with Google. But if you want higher security over here and you want to have your recovery phrase, etc., you can of course do that as well. So I'm going to go with Google because it's quicker over here. And then you have to select your Google account. So in just a few seconds, there we go, this will pop up. You want to select the Google account you would like to use, press continue. And then after a few seconds, once this loads up and connects, there we go, you'll be able to basically put in a wallet name. So over here, I'm just going to name it Wallet1, and then you'll be able to put in your password. So I'm just going to put in a random password for this instance over here, and then you will have to retype it yet again just to confirm it. And then you want to click on Next. There we go. You'll be able to see your private key, so you'll have to private it securely. So as you can see, you will have to back it up. It says back up your private key securely, and you have to make sure nobody else can see it. So click here and you'll be able to see it. I'm not going to reveal it right now. And then you want to click on Got It. And then after a few seconds, there we go, you'll get this nice animation, and then you'll be able to select chains. So right now, if you're starting off, I recommend you just keep all this on over here, and you can of course add some new ones as well, so those who aren't checked yet to be able to use those as well, but you can do that later too, so it doesn't really matter. Now you want to click on Save down here. And over here it says account created. You can then click finish, and from here you can now go under extensions, top right, and you'll see your Keplr wallet. You want to click on that, and from here this will pop up, and there we go. As you can see, Wallet1, there it is. You can now start using your wallet, and you have successfully installed your Keplr wallet. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.